Hi guys, how are you? Today I am going to make a job for SolidWorks 2017 beginners. Now at first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle to origin and give the dimension this line 75 and this line dimension 200. Okay, select. Now draw the line here, select. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 108. Okay, select. Now this line control this line tangent, this line control this line equal. Now give the dimension R as well as you can use 32. Okay, select. Now you can use 35 as well as. Okay, now draw the hair center line to midpoint. Okay, now go to mirror, this line, this line, this line. Now you can draw hair circle. You can have circle draw. Select. Give the dimension circle 45. Okay, select. Now go to mirror, this line, this line, this line, and this circle. Mirror about this line. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude. Now here select here and here, reverse direction 15. Okay, now go to this plane and sketch, go to normal tool. Now here, now draw the circle, two circle, select. Give the dimension, this circle dimension 150 and this circle dimension 130. Now this point and this point distance 68. Okay, now this point control this point vertical. Now they are fully defined. Now go to isometric view, and feature and extrude, reverse up to vertex. Now just click here. Okay, now go to shaded tools, isometric view, and use shaded tools. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the normal tool. Now draw the center line, select. Now write the text here, select center line and give the below Z24. Now here give the text below 120 or 110 100. Okay, Now go to isometric view and feature and exit rep. Click here, divorce 1. Okay. Now go to metal use. Now metal, solid metal, solid. Now you can use any color. Now we use this color. Okay. Now 7024 you can this another color. We can use red, black. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comment box. I hope you suggest your friend, subscribe my channel.